artificial intelligence, or AI, has recently achieved unprecedented success across industries, example in healthcare, biotechnology, finance, and journalism. There are multiple fields of AI that are seen to play a huge role in the automation of different media and news operations, which are natural language processing, computer vision, reinforcement learning, and natural language generation.
In my case, speaking about Sherpa, artificial intelligence, you can see that you take a look to the areas of expertise. They have started very much with prediction and recommendation systems. Like that, also advanced processing and test analysis, and also some issues in relation to privacy. But very recently, they are starting to bring this fake news detection solution, because the market is looking for this. We see that as users, more and more, we see that the newspaper is putting some news, depending on the normally view of the newspaper can go in one way or the other, more or less. But in any case, when you go to the social networks, then explodes, and then it's like a chaos. And I think these solutions are going to be very, very useful.
Yeah, indeed.
When you look at language, automation and trust, those are the three things that effectively generate the next industrial revolution. I was having a look at a company that has recently taken all this natural language processing. So effectively what they do is everything that is spoken, everything that is written, they convert to text, and then they slam it into a natural language understanding filter. And then they automate a response to that, which is directly back to Dr. Francisco Gonzalez Bree's answer, right? It's a filter effectively that determines quite quickly whether it is real or fake news. The people that I think are leading this at the moment, there's quite a few companies that are looking at trust and at bias in algorithms, but the company that I think leading it at the moment is IBM, and they've got a product called Fact Sheets. And Fact Sheets effectively takes the entire ingestion of this data and then rates it.
Ask about the index. So would you please give us a brief about the AI Journalism Index?
Yeah, but the index is going to be, well, the whole idea is that it measures artificial intelligence in media companies around the world. Certainly, we're looking initially at the larger media companies. A survey has gone out to those media, to a number of, well, the 200s of media companies around the world. And the idea is that they will be given a number of awards based on that, but they will be based on the idea that there are 6 indicators in the index looking at produced content, at human resources, the number of people who are using AI tools, how much they're investing in AI, what it means in terms of innovation within the media company. So they are given awards on that basis after we receive the survey. So we're encouraging every media company out there to send in the surveys and to tell us what artificial intelligence tools they are using. And the deadline for sending in is in June, and we hope to be able to compile everything for the end of July.